How to embed a Word document in Excel. To embed a Word document in Excel, you can follow these steps. Select the cell where you want to insert the Word document. Click Insert tab Text Group Object. In the Object dialog box, select the Create from File tab. Click Browse and select the Word document you want to embed. If you want to insert an icon instead of the document itself, check the Display as Icon option. You can also change the icon and caption by clicking Change Icon. If you want to link the Word document with the Excel file, so that any changes in the Word document are reflected in Excel, check the Link to File option. Click OK. The Word document is embedded in Excel. You can double-click the embedded document or icon to open it in Word. You can also drag and drop it anywhere on the worksheet or resize it using the handles.